So you built your Google Stack and created the HTML files to use with Google Sites. Now you want to paste the HTML into an embed item and extend the length to its maximum visibility, right? Let's find out a quick and easy way to achieve that with a keyboard shortcut. Now you probably saw me do in one of the previous videos where I was going to paste the HTML content that was created by the HTML builder. And I was opening the HTML file, select all, Control-C and copy the HTML content, come to the HTML site, click on the embed item, select the embed code tab, and then paste the HTML code in, and then click next, click insert, and now it looks like this, right? It's not, we don't see all the content inside, all the HTML content, right? So what we do is we drag, like we extend the width, and now to extend the height, we would again drag the lower edge all the way down, and we would have to do this like multiple times, right? Now this is tedious, right? It's a bit time consuming. Now thankfully, one of the members, one of our marvelous members inside our mastermind found a keyboard shortcut. And this keyboard shortcut will now, of course, make our lives so much easier. So a big thank you for him, and he knows who he is once he takes a look at the video. Now, I'm on a MacBook, right? And my keyboard shortcut, like the shortcut for dragging this down, is the Option key plus the left Shift and the down arrow key. Now, let me repeat that. Option key plus Option key first, then keep the Option key pressed. Click the left Shift and keep it pressed. These both two keys pressed, keep them pressed. Keep them down, and now press the down arrow multiple times until we can see all the content. So I've pressed like already multiple times. You can see the scroll bar extending the content. Now I'm scrolling down and just to check if it's still showing everything inside the HTML. And so much easier, right? So this was a big stack. Okay, oh, not yet. Still have some videos. All right, we're almost done, because we're at I can see the local information, the maps, the local info, and now this should be the end of the stack, and that's it. It's fully extended. Now I'm going to click publish, of course, and again click on the publish button. I'm going to see the site that it just extended the HTML component with, and brilliant. Yeah, so much easier and faster to extend our HTML pages.